we going to go today? Can't remember? Ojibway. Yeah, are we going to go on a nature hike?
Because would you like to come?
Would you like to come? That's right. I followed you to your secret lair. Alright. Okay. Looks like maybe they're gone. I don't think there's any raccoons right now. It's kind of the middle of the day.
You mean that Daddy took his hand in this log?
What did Daddy do?
Stuck his hand. He really did stick his hand in this log.
Daddy stuck his hand in the swamp? Why?
But he could just hit it with his hand. Only he's better to put his hand in the water and then take some snails.
Oh, he was being really brave and he caught a snail for you, did he? I see. That is quite brave. Mommy's not going to put her hand in the swamp and get snails for you, though.
Only Daddy is the bravest.
Oh, Daddy is the bravest. I agree.
And Daddy's the bravest for the dog and Daddy's the bravest for the swamp.
Yes. All right, let's see. Here we are. Where are we going to go? Lead the way. You don't want to go this way?
This way is the swamp.
Well, we can go this way, I think.
And that was the swamp.
I don't know what's this way. Let's find out together.
All I see is thorns.
Well, we just won't touch the thorn ones. You're right. Run up ahead and tell me what's around the corner. Up there. Go run up ahead and tell me what's around the corner. I don't know, babe. It's a surprise. I've never been this way. Okay. Oops. See, I'm okay. Did we have some special spray for it? Good. Here, what did I find? I found some water.
Maybe it's swamp.
Maybe, let's see.
Maybe we could. Is this the swamp tree? That's from the swamp.
Oh, we're gonna go look for more logs? Okay. Okay. What are you gonna show me? Oh, that does look like a great place for an owl. Look at that. Show me what we found.
We could just poop him?
No.
Is he a regular?
We don't know, so we'd just leave him.
He's going for the door. That's a nice greenie. He's coming.
Do you need a hand?
Yeah.
I'm right here. Did you want to go down to the pond?
That's a red bat.
Oh, you're right. A red bat.
You are walking a red bat.
Pam, do you want to go this way or this way? Oh, I see a turtle swimming. Oh, he went away. I think I scared him. Maybe he'll come back.
Yeah.
Oh, there's his little head. Mm-hmm. Turtles on this wall. I can get over that. Oh!
Rolling stork in the silk, the stork, the moon,
Careful on the edge there, honey bun.